Okay, my phone has been beeping all day long. Yesterday I just reset my phone, but it's still beeping right now. Once in every second. Keeps beeping. After I reset my phone, I install all my apps again. It's still beeping. But now I know what's the reason behind it. It's all because of this internet speed meter up here. So what did I do? I just turn it off. Here. And then you go and exit. Done. It's all done. If you open up this again, it will beep again. See? So if you have this app, just exit, uninstall it. Maybe there's a problem to it. Okay. Ciao.